Bob Huber, Vintage Lambo. Okay, on the 350 engine, everything working out pretty well. Got into synchronizing carburetors, and we want them to be pulling the same amount on each one, and all of them doing really, really well. And when number 4 is adjusted, like all the others, number 3 was higher on here than the others. So what we want to do is I need to check. I need to see if this butterfly isn't quite set right or what the issue might be. So I'm going to be taking the adjustment out of this so that everything lines up and I get it as tight as possible on the sealing of both of these to the actual bore here. And I'm going to find out, I'm going to right now visually check to see if I can really tell if there is a issue with that, and then go ahead and see about correcting this. So I'll see what's the story on this thing in a few seconds. I'll report back, but right now this is set as far as both butterflies are open for it to idle, and my feeling might be that this one might be just a hair out of adjustment. So that's what we want to work on. Okay, so I backed off on the throttle plate adjustment, so these should be both fully closed. So let's take a look here and we'll just see if we can take a look at that. And I'm really looking right down at the bottom here and at the top there. So I want to, I'm just visually checking those out. I go to the other side, and my feeling might be that this might be a hair out. So what I want to do is I'm going to loosen these things up, see if there is any movement in this, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I know the carburetor, I flipped it, but essentially one was here, now one is here, and one is fitting in this barrel just fine. On this side, and I'll zoom it. I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up, but with the screws out, I can go and I can get a little bit of movement. I don't know if you can see that. Down, up, down, up. So I'm going to buy a new shaft and see if that's going to cure this problem. These are 60-year-old carburetors. We're working them through. I have a lot of confidence that we can get the proficiency of these carburetors up to snuff. So please like and subscribe, and I will fill you in when we get the new shaft.